Welcome back to another cold fishing mission. It is 30 degrees again. The high today is 50 degrees. And yeah, it's my day off. That's how it goes. Anyways, we're floating a new section today. Cadron Creek is 200 miles long. I think it's the longest creek in Arkansas, I'm pretty sure. And anyways, there's so much to discover. So I'm just kind of starting at a certain point, at the highest point where you can start floating it, and working my way down. But the baits I'm gonna start out with today is the baits that's just been my confidence baits here lately, is the jackhammer, the War Eagle spinnerbait, and the Helgermite. So I'm gonna roll with those baits today, just because on this creek here lately, they've been hot. But anyways, we got 9 miles to cover, super stoked, brand new section, getting a late start, but I hope we find some big ones today. But you never know with the cold temperatures and the front, what's gonna happen. But stay tuned, I'll meet you downstream. Fish on. Fish on already. Oh my goodness, it's a nice start. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm about to go in some rapids, or I'd show the front camera there, but just a little Kentucky right there by the old dam. There's fish. Little fish. Yeah, another one. 2 micro Kentuckys. Oh my, there's a better one. It might be in that current though. Stay out there. Stay out of the grass. Stay out of the book. Stay out there. He's better. Still not a mondo. Another 12. There's fish. Oh, feels like a good one. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. Little Kentucky. Yes, some sunlight and some blue skies. Normally I don't like blue skies, but I'll take it today. This is pretty chilly. Anyways, just caught this awesome, massive 12-incher. Yeah. Go ahead and let it go. There's fish. There we go. Oh, feels nice. Feels decent. Stay on. He's not bad. Not bad. All right, biggest one of the day. Definitely the fattest one. It's been a grind, let me tell you. Not that the bite is bad or anything, it's just the wind, the rain, it's cold. Look at that gut on that one. I think they're about to spawn here soon. Beautiful little fish, probably a 14, nothing huge. 13 and a half. Nice Kentucky on the spinnerbait. We'll go ahead and let this one go. Oh, the wind. There's the wind. It's been a fight, but you know, today's my day off. I'm not gonna stay home and not fish, you know. But man, tad bit chilly out here. There's fish. Man, he came out and just barely tapped it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, current trees. There we go. There's a fish. There we go. There we go. Stay on, little guy. Got him on the trailer hook. That's why I throw it with the trailer hook. I don't know if you can hear me, but the wind's blowing again. Another 13. There's a fish. Came out of that brush pile. Tree right there. There's a fish. Fish on, take me in the current. Ah. Come here, Jeff. Decent. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. What a hot mess. Come here. Come here. Okay. All right, let's get control of the boat. Oh. Okay. Just caught a nice Kentucky right there in the worst place. Probably about a 13 incher. Golly. Oh, fish. Fish. In the current again. About to go into a tree. Oh. Oh. That's creek fishing. 101 right there. And another lesson. Make sure you have enough string. There we go. I mean, I've been trying other baits, but they're just loving the spinnerbait this time of year. It's a great bait in the spring, and it's just getting munched today. So I hate to put it down, but I've tried the jackhammer, the Helgermite, everything else. And nothing else is working but this spinnerbait. Just got another bite right there. Another healthy one. All right, we'll go ahead and let this little chunky butt go. All right, spinnerbait strikes again. Fish. As soon as it landed, there's another fish. Just another dink. Dink fist. We finally reached the halfway point. I'm gonna go ahead and swap to the jackhammer and throw it quite a bit. See if I can upgrade some fish. I mean, fish day's been small. I mean, I've had some 14s on and stuff, and I just missed a 16 at least. There's a fish with the jackhammer. I don't think it matters what I throw. I caught him on the trailer hook. Come here, fish. Come here. Anyways, it's a nice little area through here. About to get real bluffy. I see a house, actually. There's a fish. Oh, there we go. He smacked it pretty good on the jackhammer. There we go. A little better. Not by much. Got him double pinned with the trailer hook. All right, I didn't want to have to do it. I think it's time for the secret weapon. I've been holding on to this bait for a year now. I got it at H24 Outdoors a long time ago, and because it was the craze. But yes, that's right. We're gonna go ahead and throw the Fire Crawl jackhammer. We're gonna see if this gets a mondo in the boat. Not saying that I'm bored catching all these fish by all means, but I want something bigger. So we're gonna see if that juicy, succulent Fire Crawl can get us the fish we're after today. I did get some trailers, and I got these 4-inch Rage Menace Fire Crawl color pattern too. I think that'd be a perfect match to go with this Fire Crawl chatterbait. All right, I'm gonna get rigged up, and I think the next few miles or the remaining of the trip, we're gonna run with this Fire Crawl and see what happens. Fingers crossed I get a 6-pounder. Let's do it. Got one. Yeah. Got a bass on the Fire Crawl. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Yeah. There you go. Healthy Kentucky. Fire Crawl strikes. Fish on. Fish on. Jackhammer. Fire Crawl. Little Kentucky. Just another dink. We got some big extreme rapids up here. These things are huge. All right, let's get it. These look awesome. Y'all ready? Buckle in. It's gonna get pretty crazy. Woo! Let's do it. Ha-ha! Woo! Oh, we got a big one. Oh! Woo! That was a wet one. Yeah, that was awesome. That was a super soaker right there. That was fun. Thank goodness for waterproof pants. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, did he come up? Nope, he's still on there. About to go in the rapids. On the fire crawl. Got him. Nice chunk. Okay, let's go through these rapids. Let's get it. Woo! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Oh, there's fish. Be a big one. I don't think it's a big one. Feels good in the current though. It's a little baby. Jeez. Oh my. Just ski him in all the way. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Barely got him with the trailer hook. Oh, that's a big waterfall up there. On the fire crawl. Small jaw. Tiny Kentucky. Feels good to stand up. Oh, 9 miles. I'm getting too old for that. But anyways, that'd be a great float to split up into 2 days and camp out along the creek somewhere. There were so many deep holes, so many trees and stumps and places that I wanted to flip a worm into, or a, Senko, wacky rig, something. But there was just too much ground to cover and not enough daylight. So anyways, we had a great time though. Got old Blue loaded up. It was a great run today. The water clarity was perfect. That's how I like it. It's got that green tint to it, and not too clear, not dirty, but with that little bit of green. Oh man, you can get on the fish, obviously. I didn't catch anything over 16 inches today, but I did get on tons of fish. I mean, I was just trying to throw any big bait I had. I tried the fire crawl out. I was still catching a bunch of little ones on it. So I probably could have threw some gummy bears out there and Twizzlers and still caught a lot of fish. It didn't matter today. They were active, they were aggressive. I just didn't find no big ones, unfortunately. The weather was pretty cold. It was windy. Oh man, my shoulders are about to fall off. And I got wet. There's some big, huge rapids, which I enjoy a lot. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed today's adventure. All the waterfalls and that fire crawl pattern was hot. Well, thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next adventure.